All right, we're going to go through a buy limit order using the Alpaca Markets API. So I'm here on the dashboard right now. We're going to go ahead and do this for Southwest, which is the ticker symbol LUV, currently trading at $29.94. That's the market price. In order to get the request set up, Alpaca makes it super easy. We're going to come to the documentation and the API reference, come over to orders, and if you don't have the key and the secret key already filled in, you can come to the dashboard and regenerate, because your secret key is probably hidden. Click generate new keys and then grab those and insert those into these header parameters right here. So we'll grab the secret key, come back over here, put that in, should be good to go. You can see that the request gets updated here. Now for the order, there's a few parameters that we have to put in here. One is that ticker symbol. Like I said, we're gonna do LUV, which LUV, which is Southwest. Let's do 10 shares of them. We're gonna do a buy limit. So a buy limit is the order is executed if the price is at or below the limit price. So we're going to have to set that limit price. And so this is useful, especially to ensure that there's no black swan events that mess up your entry into the market. So we'll just pick right now. I think I said it was trading at, what was it, 29.89. So let's do 30. So we'll mark that as 30. We'll go ahead and grab this request here. Let's just do it at 31 just to be safe, just because of gapping and all that. So let's come back over to a Jupyter notebook, and we're going to paste that in here. I like to always import JSON as well, and just makes it print a little bit nicer if you do JSON.loads as opposed to print. So we'll shift enter to run this. It's going to go ahead and place that buy limit order. You can see it's for LUV for 10 shares, and the order type is a limit. The side is a buy. So if we come back over to our dashboard, we should see just a few seconds ago our limit order got filled at 30. So the average cost $29.89 for it. 10 shares at a total of $298.09. So that is a buy limit order for Southwest utilizing Alpaca's API.